Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on your Dell Inspiron 15. In order to take a screenshot, you can do it in two ways. The first one is clicking on the print screen key on your keyboard. And it should open the print screen tool. At first it also shows me something about the OneDrive, but I don't really want to get into that now, so let's try again. Yes, so it opens that tool. If it doesn't after clicking on print screen, because the print screen is on F10 key, in some configurations to activate the print screen you should click on F10 combined with print screen, and that should open it. If you prefer another keyboard shortcut, then you can click on Windows, Shift and S at the same time, and that should open the same tool. And now let's get into taking the screenshot. So if you click on the print screen or on anything else, then you can select screenshot or screen recording, and in screenshot mode you can simply take a rectangular one, just like that. You can also take a window short screenshot, but before that you might have noticed there was a notification, and you don't really need to click on that since it automatically copies it to a clipboard. So you can click on Ctrl and V to paste it somewhere, to a conversation with someone, or maybe to some image editor like Paint or Photoshop or GIMP. And you can also find that screenshot in File Explorer. If you go to Pictures, then Screenshots, and in Screenshots, you'll find it most probably. So now let's take a window screenshot, which you can also do with the same shortcut, but here you need to select window, then hover over a window you want to screenshot, click on it, and now it's screenshotted. If I do the screenshot tool again, I can also select full screen, for example, to take a full screen screenshot. Then the last thing is, I don't find it really useful, but maybe you will. It's the freeform, so you can actually draw the shape that you want to screenshot. And now it is screenshotted. By the way, you can click on the notification if you want, because it lets you quickly edit that screenshot by changing by drawing on it with like the draw tool. You can change the colors and the size. For the highlighter, you can also change colors and size, and it just highlights some parts of text. And after editing, just either save it or copy it, and that's how you do everything. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.